Explore Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
EKH University, Meghalaya.
Deputy Commissioner ke SHNONG Abhilash Baranwal ulapha ek jingkarpat syabaro ki RANGBAH SHNONG mat ki sarra SHNONG ki bakhmi SHNONG ki thau hapo opot usam ke SHNONG district baken ai ka jing penpana ka pasai syaki PAIDBAH ka jing KYNTU bakin le no yo eKYC verification namar bakatare khadu kan long hakalai phoi tarik naitung a chapon rio Deputy Commissioner ulo ongru bagi PAIDBAH ki bakwa penrung kerteng adhar kila ban le lingba ki fair price shop panakaliang jongka office UDC kan sapha ki nongtrei ban penrung kerteng adhar nakamta ki PAIDBAH kanang man penyeso purai ka ration card bat adhar.
I wanted to make an appeal to all the residents of East Khasi Hills district, those who are having ration cards and have not done their eKYC verification. They are requested to kindly complete their eKYC verification by 31st of July, failing which their ration cards might be treated as silent ration cards and will have to be ultimately replaced. The eKYC verification can be done at the FPS level itself. They do not need to come to the office. However, if somebody wants to come to the office, they can come and report at 106 room number of DC office East Khasi Hills and they can get their eKYC verified. Again, I request everyone to kindly get their eKYC registration completed. This can be done at the FPS level itself. And simultaneously, the other request is, the other information is that they do not really need to have separate phone numbers as has been otherwise believed. One phone number with the entire family will also be sufficient for the eKYC registration. Simultaneously, we also wanted to assure the citizens that in case they have not been registered for Aadhaar but they want to come forward for Aadhaar registration, they can register that request through FPS dealer as well. And from our office, we'll send our Aadhaar operators to set up a camp to do camp enrollment at their village itself so that they can get their Aadhaar registration as well to complete the eKYC verification. I also request all the RANGBAH SHNONGs and local heads that they should kindly take the initiative within their own localities and SHNONGs and marshal all people for the eKYC registration. They should also facilitate people in the same and so that the overall allocation of East Khasi Hills does not reduce and simultaneously the deserving beneficiaries get their due.
Kanong ba bernihan kadon ha upod usam ha pedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya ka we ka them artali ki jila ha ka benta jong ka Assam don kumba ar phautli ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin banaya ka te ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant hang ta kadon ka air quality monitor ka balapin pa ka khubor balapau perthai ha ka benta jong ka Meghalaya pan don tang santali ki karkhana red category ka jo ka le air ka baya benta lang hinrai ka jingmi jabo ka ya pher de nakata ka daw kini artali ki jila menta kis dang pen khre banthaw ya ka joint action plan